Let's have a look now at descriptions and sections in an AutoCAD drawing. Now, what we've got to look at is we've got to look at drawings and look at what the description and sections actually do for us. So we're still working in the drawing list. Current drawing I've got open is IEC Power 3-phase. So there's the drawing there. Now, if I right-click on that drawing and go to Properties and Drawing Properties there, in the dialog box I've got the option of setting Sheet Value 02, Drawing Value 002. I can add a section and a subsection. Now, the section and the subsection are optional, but in this case my section might be Power, for example. The reason being is it allows you breakdowns into the database behind the drawing. So if you're creating reports, spreadsheets, databases, these sections, these fields allow you to describe things in more detail. So that's Power, and the subsection might be 3-phase, for example. Now, we might need to put a description there as well. Now, in this particular case, it's Power, so description would be Power there, maybe, and description 2 might be 3-phase. Now, I'm just filling up boxes here. I'm not actually putting in information you might use. I'm just showing you how you would set this up. So once you've set that up, you click on OK, and you'll notice now in the details section here, can you see description Power, description 3-phase? You don't see the actual section and subsection. They don't actually appear in the description there. They're just part of the database settings for that drawing. So I can go and edit any drawing like that. But more importantly, let's go back to the project. And if I right-click on the project and go down to the project properties, does it have anything about sections in there? Let's go and have a look at our drawing format here. Does it cover anything like sections? It doesn't. These are purely database settings. If I go to styles, again, it's all about wiring, cross-referencing, wire numbers. But the cross-reference format is nice. And you can see there that I can do numbering, sheet numbering, and so on between drawings. Wire numbers, there's my wire numbers. You'll notice there as well on the screen, can you see that my Autodesk 360 is updating because I'm logged in? I've made those changes to the drawing and it's updating that on my Autodesk 360 cloud account, which is great because obviously when I go and log in to 360 later on, I've got the most current drawing. It does that automatically for you. It's a very nice feature. Components wise, as you can see, components, I can change the settings again as well, just like we did when we set up the project earlier. But I can go into this at any time. That's the nice thing about it. So I'll just cancel that now, and all of those settings are set up for that drawing. So what I might do for the contents here, let's go to the contents drawing, double click on it, that makes it current, and then I'll right click and go to properties again and drawing properties. And you'll notice all I've got there is contents, so let's change that to contents in capitals. Always looks better in capitals on listings. So we'll go contents there. Description 2 we don't need because there's no power or anything involved. But the section there, we might change that also to contents. I'll OK that now. That updates, and you'll notice there in the description, contents is updated. So that's what this description and sections does for you. It's an extension of the drawing manager, and it allows you to give a description to your drawings, which is important. You can bring those fields into the drawings if you wish. They're in the database as well, so that when you export data to databases and things like that, the information about the drawings is there.